Hello YouTube, I am Eli the Fatigued. We're back with more Cataclysm, Dark Days Ahead. Got some good mods, and I just remembered to actually look at the map. So yeah, we're under a research facility. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. And then we got this massive military base to the west from the XEAS mod, which I think is very late game stuff. I'm not gonna be able to deal with that, even with my overpowered start. However, there is a rural house here, and there should be some working vehicles in here, so we have options. Oh, and there's a cabin up there. Might actually go for the cabin. It's more away from stuff. Maybe there's some water in this forest. Either way, we'll figure it out once we get up there. And I did say we were gonna try and... excuse me. We're gonna try and figure out, some stuff. Episode. The primary part of, stretching. Primary one being a way up into the research facility. Also, what do I need to do? Crying. Okay, so I need to bring that makeshift below. Anyway, okay, so we have this one up, and I think we have another one. I think we can get up to floor 2. Probably take off the headgear. So loud. Or was it? Not one that I had found yet. Thought I had. I have not. Okay. Fair enough. Let's turn down some ambient sounds. I don't know, but everything's really loud. Oh, whoops. Hello. And it helps that my dodging is so high. Not wearing anything. I'm not carrying anything. Another Autodot? No, it's another containment by the looks of it. Oh yeah, it's another Migo. That's the Migo that's annoying the crap out of me. Lighter. That. Filter mask cartridge. And ooze the boots. Let's take off drop. Pair boots, and we're the steel toe boot. Wingsuit. That's useful. Another one of these. Noise canceling headgear, drag all that stuff up here. Think beyond level, well, this is level 3. Another apartment thingy. Look around. Auto dock, is that a nice nurse? I think it's another machete. I think that's not gray. I think it's gray if it's not nice. I don't know. I don't remember. Alright, let's see. Chemistry another chemistry set. Potassium iodide, that's good. Potassium iodide. Hello. Dielectric capacitance. Nice. Bandages. And water. Water's good. definitely gonna take that. Taking train my dodge, right? Let's see, 37. Lock. 37 to 60. Yeah, okay. Let's train dodge for a little bit. I think I got it. Got a 3. And I can still train off of them. 6. Forward 5. I do like the robot noise. 61. I think once I get to 4, I won't be able to train off them anymore. So, a little bit better rested as I'm dodging these slides. 82. I think, yeah, I think as I'm saying, I think at level 4 I won't be able. Yeah. Won't be able to train off them anymore at level 4. Oh wow, they actually hit me. Wow. Armor protects you, pants is cut. Okay. So I didn't actually get damaged, say. Oh, I can still, but it's not worth it. Wow. My pants again, you jerk. Alright. Seriously have not found a way up yet? That's crazy. Tramadol. What's Tramadol again? Is that for moderate pain? Yeah. Yeesh, that actually scared me. Forgot about Mr. Drum Player over there. There was a weighted south over there. Oopsie, thought it warned me. Oh, there's our containment. No thanks. Nothing really in there, as far as I'm aware. Got some bubbles. Yeah, the mechanical working is just the nurse spot up here. Or probably like a cyborg in there. I guess the way up is up here. Of course it is. Anything good in his wallet? Cash card. Platinum gas discount card. Oh, dude. We're someone special. I legitimately don't know if it's worth picking up. I haven't done much since. Yeah, I figured. I probably should have done that. Oh well. Another nurse bot. Burner. Looks like it's gray, so it might not be a nice nurse bot. That'd be nice if I could find a apartment here. Lots of stuff in there that I don't care about right now. That's some mutagen stuff. Hey, apartments! Also would be really nice if I could find another stairs down. I was just about to say that. Alright. Crouch. More mutagen. 3x3. Wait, is it? Oh, is this one of the cut off? Nope, it's not. But it is through that. Doing their spot. Through my celly. Come on. Time dilation. Antibiotics. There we go. Upstairs can also... Oh, that was cookies. I thought it was a dead body. I was like, what? I'll check. Full poncho. Might be grab. I think that prevents me wet. It gets so cold when I'm upstairs. Broken cyborg. I forget, can broken cyborgs break doors? This is a trap room, of course. This is a bad idea. Doing it anyway. Probably not working. Okay. I forget, going next to the portals irradiate you? Oh crap. That was stupid of me. All of that was stupid of me. Might become fungus. Why did I do that? Look something up real quick. Hang on. I actually forget how the spores and mycelium works. was just a poor decision overall. We're gonna see. If I start coughing, then I'm probably screwed. I have not found any fungicide yet. I have fungicide on them, because I know they can. I don't know if they still can. Oh my gosh, so quiet, so loud. What happens if I jump in the water? I can get rid of the spores, unfortunately. Alright. So, we'll be clutching it. But we will persevere. Especially, somehow find fungicide. Don't think I can craft it. That's fudge, not fung. Unfortunately. Can't craft it yet because my whatchamacallit not high enough level. Light science, I think it is. I think that's what they call it now. Watermelon, holy crap. Good. Salad. You know what, just... It's really annoying. Stairs down, I don't need that. But you can see where it goes. Oh hey, stairs up. Okay. The other side of the apartments. Where does this go? Oops. We haven't gone before. Oh hey, vending machines that actually work. Nice. 1 second. Shifting positions. Oh, okay. That's much more comfortable. Okay. It's unfortunate that our only way up is through that. Fungus area. I'm on level 5. Okay. What are you? Hybrid. Don't have the skill for it though. That would be nice to get into. What's up? Lab finale room. Robots around, or is it just zombie scientists? Scientists. Okay. What finale is this then? Subprime? I don't think I've ever run into that one before. That's interesting. spore dusted went away. Well, we gotta just continue to wait and see. Something was slimed in here. Oh, hi. Oh, nice to get some fungicide from someone. Get lemon lime. I like lemon lime. Lemon lime. What was that in there? Oh, that was a watch. Look. Leather pant. Okay, so there's not much in here by the looks of it. Oh, more bird serum at least. Alright, well, that's unfortunate. But it does look like I escaped the fungus. This is back to our base. I might do this move off camera, YouTube. It's about time to end the episode anyway. I almost found way up. But then we got distracted, and then other stuff happened. Anyway. YouTube, thank you for joining us. I've been Eli the Fatigued, streaming live over on Twitch, twitch.tv, Eli the Fatigued. If you have enjoyed any dimension of this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. I'll go ahead and move this stuff between episodes. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.